Good morning, guys. Almost 10 o'clock right now. I was really busy with Ima, like her breakfast, potty training, and then obviously I have given her a bath. So now I'm gonna take shower. Now I have this oil. This is mixture of coconut oil, castor oil, and olive oil. So that is there, and to that this is tea tree oil, and then this one is lavender oil. So I'm gonna mix that. So usually what I do is that I'll be mixing both together in a small katori or a small bartan, something like that. But this time I thought that since only this much oil is left, I thought I will just mix those oils together. So I think I am having dandruff right now. I usually do not have dandruff, but lately for past 2-3 weeks I have been very busy with few stuff because I am right now in Palakkad. Palakkad is my husband's place, so almost 1.5 months I have been in my place. So last 1 week I have been busy packing and lot many other stuff. I had a lot of stitching work as well. You can't open this, please. So I was really busy with that, so I couldn't take care of my hair. So and if I want to take care of my hair, I need a lot of time, because you guys know I have long hair, which I'm kind of fed up, and I'm thinking of cutting my hair. And when I'm thinking about cutting my hair, it's not trimming my hair, cut it really short. That's what I'm thinking, because it's taking a lot of time and effort, which I'm not liking. So anyways, I'm gonna add I think I will add 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil to this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I have added 10 drops. Yeah, that will be good enough. And then I will be adding 5 drops of lavender oil. So tea tree oil is very good for your hair scalp, because it prevents dandruff, and it is very good. It is cooling to scalp. It is very good altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4. Come on. Yes, 5 drops. It's done. Now I will just give a quick mix and then massage this oil into my hair. I'm gonna part my hair. I'm gonna add 2-3 drops of hair oil exactly over here and give us nice massage. So then after that I'll be taking another partition, and then I'll be adding on oil, and then I'll be giving again a good massage. So, and this way I'll be continuing the same to my scalp. I make sure that each and every part of my scalp is covered with this oil. Then I'll be giving a good nice massage. Make sure you are not too hard, because that might tend to break your hair. So just be very soft and gentle, and then give nice massage. I just left my hair just like that for 15 to 20 minutes. Now I'll be washing off it with this beer shampoo. So I have tried it once or twice, and it's kind of okay, not that great though, but then it's a good shampoo. So I'll be using this. And a lot of my non-Malayali friends always do ask me, like, why do I tie my hair just like this every time after I take a shower? I mean, after taking head bath. So it's as simple as that. We all Malayalis do this, right? It's just that it just absorbs the water content. So now I will just do my skincare routine. Just a minute, guys. So I'm gonna apply this Wow aloe vera gel, which is my favorite. You guys must have already seen this a lot many times in my vlogs. So I've just applied all over my face. Now I will apply a lip balm. This is a lip balm from Streetwear, color Rich Smoothies lip balm in the shade Plum Pluck. Yeah, Plum Pluck. Nice name, no? Plum Pluck. Plum Pluck. Yes. So it's a very nice berry shade. It's really nice and moisturizing. And if you guys are wondering what happened over here, my baby Ima, she just scratched my nose just like that because she loves doing that. Now I will just fill in my eyebrows just like that. Usually I do not do this when I'm at home, but then since I'm at my in-laws place, I thought I'll be a little bit more presentable. Yeah, that's good. More than enough. Maybe one small bindi will complete the look. Oh god, yes. Sometimes I do apply sunscreen as well, but then today I do not feel like applying it, so I'm gonna skip that. So let me just go down and see what Ima is doing, help in kitchen work and all those things, and then I will get back to you. So we had lunch and it's nap time for Ima, so we are gonna sleep. Not we, actually Ima is gonna sleep. I will make her sleep after feeding her. She's gonna sleep for good 2 hours. If not 2 hours, at least for 1.5 hours for sure. So that time I will be free. Maybe if I have mood, I will shoot a video for Malayalam channel. If not, I really don't know what to do. Maybe I will edit as well because I have a lot to edit actually. So that has to be done. And Ima, baby, you guys haven't seen Ima for a while, no? Here she is. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Tapukuttu nee tapukuttu. Papa tinan tapukuttu. Ada tinan tapukuttu. Mama unna tapukuttu. So Ima slept, so I was not feeling that sleepy, so I thought I will just unpack my stuff. And when I was unpacking and I was just organizing my cupboard, and I got to see something. You know what it is? These are eyeshadow. I was using it quite extensively years back, and after pregnancy I came here and I kept it in this cupboard, and I totally forgot about this. And today I got to see this and I was so happy. You know that happiness when you actually organize your cupboard and you get something which you don't even remember that you had that thing with you. So it's like very surprising, and it's like a gift for me. So I did a full on review on about this in my Malayalam channel. So I thought that I would just give you guys also a mini review about these. So these are actually Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow, and this actually retails for 210 or 220 I guess, and I have two shades. One is in gold and another is in sand. These two are very universal shade, and not just that, this is very versatile product. If you want, you can use these sand as a good highlighter and not just as an eyeshadow, which is very good. Con I would say is that it is little expensive for a single eyeshadow. It's actually 220 for 1.4 gram of product, actually less pigmented, which is not something that bothers me a lot. But then if you are someone who really want that pigmentation, then it's not for you. But for me, for blush and eyeshadow, I don't need a very good pigmentation. I really do not bother about pigmentation that much because I really like to go light when it comes to blush and eyeshadow. I do not like that popping color on my face. As I said, it's very universal shade. So if you are going out for a party, if you are going for a wedding function, you just can apply this golden shade as a wash of color and just put on a kajal and eyeliner. You just can go out just like that. So I really like it in that way. So that's good. And also I forgot to mention about the packaging. It's like really nice, cute little packaging. And also if you want, we can buy actually they have like 20 or 25 shades I guess, and so we can actually buy the ones which we like. And actually they have these kind of slots, and we can just put it like so, and you can make a customized palette which is really good thing, I should say. My hair is like semi dry, it's not completely dry. So once it is dried up completely, I just want to tie up in a bun. I really do not like to leave my hair open. I know there are a lot many girls who love to leave their hair open whenever they go out, and I used to be a one like so, but then after having Ima, I absolutely hate to leave my hair open because she always just pulls my hair and it just hurts a lot. So whenever I go out, I always prefer to tie my hair up in bun. Even at home, I do not like to leave my hair open. But then guys, it's not a good thing to tie your hair while it's wet, and also I do not use any hair dryer. Now I'm gonna organize my cupboard.
It is almost 10:30 p.m. and I was doing this blouse design work. It was actually a plain blouse. I'm really sorry guys. I shot it from the beginning, this mirror work and everything, but I don't know how I just lost that footage. So I'm really sorry for that. But then it's very simple and easy. What I'm doing is I have first stuck this mirrors, and on top of it I have stuck that red borders, and these golden stones, these are actually a string, a lace, and from that I have cut out the stones, and I'm just sticking it with fabric glue in random manner. Don't worry guys, I'll be shooting yet another design with the same pattern so I can show you guys in detail. So this is very easy, very simple, but then it gives very nice classy elegant look. So this is what I have done. Actually it has turned pretty well. I really loved it, but I wanted to show you guys from the beginning, but I'm so sorry this happens with me very, I mean, like sometimes it's so irritating, because we put in so much of effort and shoot some video, and when it is corrupted or when it gets deleted, it's so depressing, but then we can't do anything about it. No, I'm really sorry about it. But then as you guys can see, I'm just sticking it with fabric glue. I have done the same with mirrors and borders as well. I have sticked it with fabric glue. After that I'll be giving it a hand stitch as well so that it is more secure. So I'll be repeating the same for the whole blouse, and that's it. With that, today's vlog is done. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you all know what to do. Please to give this video a big thumbs up as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye.